Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today in this video I am going to show you how to fix wireless adapter setting missing in advanced power setting under power option on Windows 10 or 11. So at the very first thing, just go to Windows search bar and type here regedit. After that, on the suggestion, select registry editor. Now do a right click and select run as administrator. After that, click on OK. Now on the Res editor box, extend the option ASCII local machine. After that, select system and extend that. Now extend current control set, then control. Now scroll down and search for power option. Once you have found this power option, just extend this option. Now under the power option, extend power setting. Now here we have to look for 19CBB8FA, that option. So once you have find, just extend that option and finally do a right click on that 12BBEBE6, this option. So here on the right hand side we have to add a folder. So for that, just do a click on that black spot, then click on new. After that, select dword 32-bit value. Now here we have to name this folder attributes. I said attributes. Once you have typed that, just press enter. After that, do double click on that option and on the left hand side set the value 0 to 2. After that, click on OK. So once you have do that work properly, your wireless adapter setting will be added in advanced power setting under power option. So I hope this little tutorial will help for you. If it is, then don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button over here. If you have any type of question, then contact with me or comment on the comment section. I will reply you. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.